Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner work. What type of work do you need to work on right now? Do you have to release something? Is there certain things that do not qualify for your blessing, the land that you're going to, your manifestations? The old you, that's the old you. You have shed that skin. You're a new, entirely stronger and wiser being. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing. Negative energy will teach you and give you situations where you need to realize it's not worth being in a negative energy. It's not worth even giving attention to. Positive energy will bring you blessings, manifestations, elevation. Therefore, stay positive at all times. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths because I'm an all-powerful being. I direct my thoughts towards the light and see the positive side of every stage of life. Darkness turns to courage. Thus, I get stronger. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.